Hey guys, in this video, I'm going to go over how to restart or reset your Chromecast with Google TV. And this is something that has helped me when I've had an issue with particular applications not working properly. If I do a restart, it often helps the issue that I run into. So using your Google TV remote here at the top, scroll over all the way to the right-hand side where you'll find your account name, then go down and click where it says Settings. And then we're going to scroll down to System. And then over in System, we're going to scroll all the way to the bottom. And at the bottom of the system menu, you're going to find the restart option. On your remote, click select, and then go up and click where it says restart. And this will reboot your device. And this isn't a factory reset. You don't have to worry about that. This is more akin to such as restarting your smartphone or maybe restarting a laptop or computer that you have. And I personally have found this to be helpful when I've run into issues on specific applications. Doing a system restart has often fixed the bugs that I was running into. So I hope this video is helpful, showing you where to find the restart option to reset your Chromecast with Google TV.